Hi, my name is Gary Eckstein and I'm a Mailchimp Pro partner. I often get contacted by people saying that they've imported people into Mailchimp with the incorrect email marketing status. So in other words, they've imported their contacts into their audience with a status of cleaned, unsubscribed or non-subscribed. This means that they can't send email marketing to those people, so they want to change them to be subscribed. So let me illustrate that issue in Mailchimp and I'll show you the solution. The first thing I'm going to do in Mailchimp is import some people to illustrate the issue. So import contacts, I'll copy and paste, and I've just got a few contacts I'm going to import, a few email addresses. I'll click continue. So the issue is here, select a status. So instead of selecting subscribed, the people might, or the person importing might have selected cleaned, non-subscribed or unsubscribed. So I'll just choose unsubscribed for this example, continue. Continue. Right, and I'll just import these contacts, complete import. When it loads up, we'll see that those people have then been imported as unsubscribed. So here are the few people that I have imported, and I won't give feedback right now. And if I go across, you'll see they have an email marketing status. Let me go up the screen a bit. They have an email marketing status as unsubscribed. So we can't send email marketing to them because we can only in Mailchimp send email marketing to people that have an email marketing status of subscribed. So how do we change these? Well, there's actually no easy way of, let's call it, manually changing them. So what we actually do in this case is we'll undo the import and just import them again as subscribed. So let me undo the import because this import was incorrect. So to undo the import, I go manage contacts, scroll down a little bit and import history. Wait for that to load up and you can see all my imports. So all I'll do in this case is undo this import when I imported those people as unsubscribed instead of subscribed. So I click undo. Mailchimp says confirm I actually want to undo, so I'll type in undo. Click undo. Wait for this to load up and let's just look at our audience. So I've clicked on the number of people or contacts in my audience. And now you'll notice that those people with thousands of the end, the Gary plus 1000, 1001, etc., have been removed. So now I could just go ahead and import those people again as subscribed. So quite simply, add contacts, and I'll do this fairly quickly. Import contacts, copy and paste, continue. I'll just paste in the email addresses, continue. Now just make sure that the email marketing status is subscribed. Click continue, tag them if you want to, finalize import, complete import, and let's view the imported contacts. Wait for this to load up, and now what you'll notice, so there those people are, and if we go across you'll see the email marketing status is now subscribed. So that's how, if you have imported people with the wrong email marketing status as cleaned, non-subscribed or unsubscribed, you merely undo the import and then you can import them again. But thank you for joining me. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. My name is Gary from organicweb.com.au.